Hey everybody, it's Koji. Today I want to talk about organizing things around you. So, for example, your clothes, books, stationery, shoes, seasoning in a kitchen, everything around you. This kind of thing. So I want to talk about organizing those things in a life. So, from my view, a lot of successful people around the world today are very good at organizing things. That's my view. But you can check it. But you probably see the same characteristics from successful people. It's not only about business matters, but it's about the daily stuff also. Like I said, like clothes, stationery, seasonings, tools, devices, accessories, inside of your bag, inside of the bookshelf, everything. Everything you put things to operate a daily life, the stuff around you is the subject of this matter. And those people are so well to organize those daily stuff in their surroundings, in their house. And I think that's really important to be successful, I think. And if you take a look at a multi-million mansion, like 20 million mansion in California, and 40 million, even 10 million in California, or not just only California, Florida, or other European very nice area, or South African cities. And if you take a look at those mansions, or they have quite a luxurious bedroom, kitchen, and bathrooms, and balconies, and a living room area, and those areas have a stuff and a gadget and equipment, so that those are built to organize their things well. So imagine if you live in there. Even living in this multi-million mansion, you gotta use those equipment very well to organize your stuff very well, and so that it keep it clean and neat. That's how you live when you get to that stage. Okay, and you might be able to have someone to organize those things for you. Of course, yeah. But in the end, you gotta live in a very organized and neat lifestyle. That's what it is. And if you don't have money, and I don't like me, and we gotta use our mind and our brain to make it neat and make it organized, to get closer to the lifestyle they have. And it is important for us to elevate our life. And like I am pretty bad at organizing things around me. So I need extra mental power to come up with and to keep things organized and keep it clean and neat. So I used to put the same type of thing in every place. Like if you pull out a drawer for the clothes, and I put t-shirts here, and I put t-shirts over here too. Like it should be at the same time, same place. Why? Because that makes easier to use after the days. So that is the point, to organize things. It's not about just make it compact and the patchy compact and so that it looks clean. It's not that. It's not just to make it as less space as possible. It's not to organize things pretty well. It's about put the things in order or in a way that is in neat way, so that you get easier to use it. When you use it, and that is easier for you. That is how to organize the things. And of course, it looks clean and neat. It should be clean and neat. And I need very high mental power to come up with the idea how to make it organize it, how to make it easier to use when I want to use it later. But I took time and I spent my time to figure out how to organize things around me. Maybe some of you are pretty well at organizing things and don't need so much time and just keep clean around you. That's pretty good for you, and you should share that for other people to how to organize things. But now, organize down so that it's easier to use it, and that helps your life. It will save your time eventually, and that will ease you. So that you can utilize the spare time, additional time to put your anything you want, and you can put into develop yourself. You can learn new skills. You can spend with your loved ones, and that's the thing. And so organizing things is really important. It is your life. Now, if you are bad like me to organize things, you gotta use imagination to how to make it easier to use after later. So if the thing put in this way is make it easier later, that's a question you want to have always to organize things, and it's important to maintain the neatness. It's not just one time in month event to organize things. You gotta maintain that everyday life. So if you organize things, put in place once, and you want to maintain every day. So that's the point. And this requires you to keep them in the same manner every day. And keeping mess around you, keeping mess out of your surroundings is you. And keeping them organized is a great habit, a great everyday habit. See? Better life and better habit and better life. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Peace.